Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to disable RAM Plus on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So, if you've enabled RAM Plus on Samsung Galaxy A55 and you want to disable the RAM Plus, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the settings application on your Samsung Galaxy A54. Scroll down. Just keep scrolling until you get to device gear. Then click on that. Now, once you select the device gear, locate and click on memory. Then hang on for the memory page to check and open. Once it opens, scroll down, locate RAM Plus and click on that. Then here you should say RAM Plus. To disable or turn off RAM Plus, just go ahead and disable this. Then it should say to turn off RAM Plus, your phone needs to restart. Now, if you have open files, go ahead and save them. Otherwise, unsaved data will be lost. So go ahead and click on restart. Once you hit the restart button, this is going to restart your Samsung Galaxy A54, and this might take a couple of minutes for it to come up. And once the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G comes up, the RAM Plus will be removed, and this is going to return back the virtual memory deducted from your Samsung Galaxy A54 storage, and then return the Samsung A54 back to the default RAM by the manufacturer. Now, once your phone restarted, just swipe up, type in your PIN pattern, and then click on OK to complete the restart. Once you see phone is starting, then this is going to make sure your phone starts normally. And then once your phone has booted successfully, the next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and open the settings application. So just scroll to the settings page and then click on it. Then scroll down, locate and click on device gear. Then click on memory. Then hang on. Then it should say RAM Plus off. If you click on RAM Plus, then it should say your RAM Plus disabled. And there you go. So that's exactly how to turn off or disable RAM Plus on Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.